Do you want to stay ahead in the SEO game in 2023? Good, because we're about to embark on an insightful journey into the future of SEO. Now, as we all know, the world of search engine optimization is ever evolving, constantly adapting to new algorithms, technologies, and user behaviors. It's like a vast ocean with currents that shift and change. And just like an experienced sailor who knows how to navigate these currents, a savvy SEO enthusiast must keep a finger on the pulse of these changes. This is crucial if you want your website or online business to not just survive, but thrive in the digital landscape. Today, we're going to explore the top SEO trends that are set to shape 2023. These trends will act as your compass, guiding you through the vast SEO ocean, ensuring you stay on course. So let's dive in and explore the top SEO trends for 2023 that you need to keep an eye on. The first trend we're going to talk about is the rise of video content. In the evolving landscape of SEO, video content is emerging as a potent tool for businesses to engage their audience and boost their search engine rankings. Why is this so? Because search engines, particularly Google, are prioritizing video content like never before. YouTube videos are popping up higher and higher in search results, a clear indication of Google's recognition of the power of video. It's not surprising, given the fact that video is a dynamic medium that can deliver information in a more engaging and digestible format than plain text. But it's not enough to simply create video content. The content needs to be engaging, informative, and tailored to your target audience. It should resonate with your viewers, compelling them to share, comment, and engage with your brand. Every like, share, and comment on your video sends a positive signal to the search engines, further boosting your visibility in the search results. The rise of video content also comes with an increased emphasis on video SEO. This means optimizing your video content just like you would with a web page. The title, description, and tags of your video play a crucial role in its discoverability. Use relevant keywords and create compelling descriptions to attract viewers and search engines alike. Moreover, the rise of video content isn't limited to YouTube. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are also prioritizing video, offering businesses more avenues to connect with their audience and improve their online visibility. So what does this mean for you? It's simple. If you want to rank higher, start creating video content that appeals to your audience. Embrace the power of video and incorporate it into your SEO strategy. It's the way forward in the world of SEO in 2023 and beyond. So if you want to rank higher, start creating video content that appeals to your audience. The second trend to watch out for is the increasing importance of user intent. Now, what does that mean? Well, when someone types a query into a search engine, they have a certain intent behind it. They could be looking to buy something, learn something, or maybe they're simply trying to find a specific website. As SEO enthusiasts, we need to understand this intent in order to create content that satisfies the user's needs. Let's take an example. If someone types "how to bake a chocolate cake" into Google, their intent is clear. They're looking for a recipe or a step-by-step guide. Now, if your website provides a detailed guide on baking a chocolate cake, Google is more likely to rank it higher in the search results. Why? Because it satisfies the user's intent. But user intent goes beyond just understanding what the user wants. It's about understanding why they want it. Maybe our cake baking enthusiast is a beginner baker looking for an easy recipe, or perhaps they're an experienced baker looking for a unique twist on a classic recipe. Understanding this deeper level of intent allows us to create more targeted and effective content. And how do we understand user intent? It starts with keyword research. By analyzing the keywords and phrases that people use, we can gain insight into what they're really looking for. But it doesn't stop there. We also need to stay up to date with the latest search trends, monitor our website analytics, and constantly tweak and refine our content based on user feedback and behavior. In the past, SEO was all about stuffing keywords into your content. But in 2023, it's all about understanding and satisfying user intent. Google's algorithms have become smarter and more user-focused. They're designed to deliver the most relevant and useful content to users, and that's why understanding user intent is so crucial. So, as you craft your SEO strategy for 2023, remember to put user intent at the heart of everything you do. Create content that not only includes the right keywords, but also satisfies the needs and wants of your users. Remember, satisfying the user's intent has become a key factor in achieving higher rankings. The third trend is the need for high-quality content. It's no longer enough to just churn out content for the sake of having a lot of it. In fact, doing so could actually hurt your SEO efforts. Google's algorithms have become incredibly sophisticated and are getting better at distinguishing between high-quality content and low-quality content. This shift in focus from quantity to quality has everything to do with Google's mission to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Their goal is to provide the best possible results for users' queries, and that means prioritizing content that is well-written, informative, and engaging. Low-quality content, on the other hand, can have serious consequences. If Google's algorithms determine that your content is low quality, it could result in lower rankings in search results, or even a penalty. This could make it much more difficult for people to find your website, which could lead to a decrease in traffic, leads, and sales. So how can you ensure that your content is high quality? Start by doing thorough research before you start writing. Make sure you understand your topic inside and out, and aim to provide value to your readers. Don't just regurgitate what's already been said on the topic. Strive to offer a unique perspective or new information. Moreover, make sure your content is well written. This means using proper grammar and spelling and writing in a way that is easy to understand. If writing isn't your strong point, consider hiring a professional writer or editor to help. Finally, make your content engaging. Use storytelling techniques to draw your reader in and keep them interested. Include visuals like images or infographics to break up the text and make your content more visually appealing. And don't forget to include a call to action at the end to guide your readers on what to do next. Quality content is now a non-negotiable factor in your SEO strategy. It's not just about getting people to your site, it's about providing them with valuable, engaging content that they'll want to share with others. And that ultimately is what will help you rank higher in search results. The fourth and fifth trends are the importance of technical SEO and the rise of AI. Let's dive right in. Technical SEO is the backbone of any successful SEO strategy. It's all about making your website more appealing to search engines. This includes things like ensuring your site is mobile-friendly, has a quick loading time, and is properly optimized with the right keywords. In 2023, technical SEO is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Search engines are becoming more sophisticated, and they're looking for websites that are technically sound. If your site isn't up to par, it won't matter how great your content is, you'll struggle to rank highly in search results. But that's not all. The rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, is taking SEO to a whole new level. AI is transforming the way we approach SEO, making it more efficient and more effective. For instance, AI can be used to generate content that's tailored to your target audience. It uses machine learning algorithms to understand what your audience is looking for, and then creates content that meets their needs. AI can also be used to identify keyword opportunities. It can analyze massive amounts of data to find keywords that are relevant to your business and have a good chance of ranking highly in search results. Furthermore, AI can help optimize your website for search engines. It can analyze your site and make suggestions on how to improve it, such as by fixing broken links, improving site speed, and optimizing images. In short, AI is making SEO more precise, more personalized, and more powerful. It's giving businesses the tools they need to reach their target audience and rank highly in search results. So, if you want to be successful in 2023, you need to embrace technical SEO and AI. These tools are no longer optional, they're essential. By incorporating them into your strategy, you can stay ahead of the competition and achieve your SEO goals. Embrace technical SEO and AI, and you'll be well on your way to SEO success in 2023. And those were the top SEO trends for 2023. From the rising dominance of video content to the critical emphasis on user intent, we've taken a journey through the shifting landscape of SEO. It's clear that quality content remains king, but it's also evident that technical SEO and AI are playing increasingly crucial roles in how we optimize our websites for search engines. As we look ahead, it's more important than ever to stay abreast of these trends. As the digital world continues to evolve, so too will the ways in which we navigate it. By harnessing the power of these trends, you can ensure that you and your business stay ahead of the curve. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about how to implement these strategies, don't worry, I'm here to help. I offer a free consultation for all new clients, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to reach out if you need help with your SEO strategy.